Welcome back to Motor Vision, the channel where passion meets performance and where we take you deep inside the world of the most exciting cars on the planet. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and join our growing community of car enthusiasts who live and breathe speed, design, and innovation. Today we've got something truly special for you, the official unveiling of the brand new next generation 2026 BMW M3. This isn't just another update, it's a statement. A bold redefinition of what a performance sedan can be, blending razor-sharp precision with cutting-edge technology and an unmistakable M identity. The BMW M3 has always been more than a car. Since its debut in the mid-1980s, it has carried the responsibility of being the ultimate driver's car, the machine that sets the benchmark for sports sedans worldwide. Every generation has had its share of critics and loyalists, but each one has moved the game forward in its own way. With the 2026 M3, BMW is rewriting the script once again, and this time they've done it with a mix of futuristic flair and classic motorsport DNA. At first glance, the exterior makes an immediate impact. The 2026 M3 features an evolved design language that is both aggressive and sophisticated. Yes, the controversial oversized kidney grille remains, but it has been reshaped and integrated more fluidly into the front fascia, giving it a bolder yet sleeker presence. The sharp LED laser headlights stretch with a more angular look, while the hood and bumper have been sculpted to channel airflow more efficiently. The car sits lower, wider, and more planted, emphasizing that this is a machine built for both the track and the open road. Flared wheel arches, quad exhaust tips, and signature M badging leave no doubt about its performance pedigree. Under the hood is where things get really exciting. The 2026 BMW M3 continues to push forward with its 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged inline-six engine, but this time it's been heavily revised for both performance and efficiency. Power output is rumored to hover around 550 horsepower in the competition trim, making it the most powerful M3 yet. Torque delivery has been refined with improved turbocharging, ensuring brutal acceleration across the rev range. 0 to 60 comes in just about 3.3 seconds, putting it in supercar territory. The engine is paired with either an updated 8-speed automatic or, to the delight of purists, a 6-speed manual gearbox option that keeps the spirit of the M3 alive. BMW knows its enthusiasts, and they've ensured there's still a place for that hands-on driving experience. For the first time, the M3 also embraces a more advanced electrification strategy. A mild hybrid system has been integrated to support the powertrain, offering improved fuel efficiency and a smoother power band. Don't worry, this is still very much a petrol-driven beast, but the electrified assist brings it in line with modern performance and environmental standards. Step inside the 2026 BMW M3, and you're greeted by a cabin that's nothing short of a technological showcase. The interior has been redesigned to balance track-ready functionality with premium comfort. Dominating the dashboard is BMW's latest curved display, a massive digital interface that combines a 12.3-inch driver's cluster with a 14.9-inch infotainment touchscreen, running on BMW's newest iDrive 9 software. The system is more intuitive than ever, offering customizable layouts, advanced voice control, and seamless integration with Apple, CarPlay, and Android Auto. The graphics are crisp, the animations fluid, and the overall feel futuristic yet familiar. The steering wheel is a piece of art in itself, wrapped in leather with M-specific stitching, flanked by red programmable M-mode buttons, and designed to give drivers immediate control over performance settings. Behind it, the M-View display overlays racing-inspired graphics, including shift lights and tachometer focus, perfect for track days. The center console is clean and modern, with a floating design, a rotary iDrive controller, and subtle ambient lighting that changes color depending on the driving mode. Seating is where BMW really makes you feel like you're in a performance machine. The standard sports seats offer aggressive bolstering, while still being comfortable for long drives, while optional carbon fiber bucket seats bring a race car vibe into the daily commute. Materials are first-class Alcantara, leather, brushed aluminum, and carbon fiber trims are used throughout, giving the cabin a premium yet athletic identity. Ambient lighting strips run along the dashboard and doors, creating a sophisticated mood. While practicality hasn't been sacrificed, rear seats remain usable, with enough room for passengers and a decent trunk space for everyday use. The 2026 M3 is also loaded with technology to enhance the driving experience. Adaptive M suspension, active differential, and customizable drive modes allow you to fine-tune the car's behavior at the touch of a button. Want a comfortable cruiser? Switch to comfort mode and let the suspension absorb the bumps. Ready for some spirited canyon carving? Sport Plus stiffens everything up and sharpens throttle response. And for the hardcore track drivers, there's even a track mode that strips down the digital distractions and focuses entirely on performance. Safety and convenience features are at the forefront as well. Expect the latest in driver assistance systems, from adaptive cruise control to lane keeping, assist, and a 360-degree camera system. However, BMW has carefully balanced these with the car's core mission, driving engagement. The systems are supportive, not intrusive, allowing the driver to remain fully connected to the road. Now let's talk about sound. BMW knows the M3 is as much about emotion as it is about numbers. The 2026 M3 comes equipped with a newly tuned exhaust system that produces an exhilarating growl under hard acceleration while remaining refined at cruising speeds. Inside, an optional Harman Kardon or Bowers & Wilkins premium audio system ensures your playlist sounds just as good as the engine note. The new generation also reflects BMW's commitment to sustainability. Recycled materials are used in parts of the cabin without compromising quality, and the mild hybrid system helps reduce emissions. It's a subtle but meaningful step towards blending high performance with environmental responsibility. So who is this car for? The 2026 BMW M3 is aimed squarely at those who demand versatility. It's a car that can comfortably serve as a daily driver during the week, blast down a racetrack on the weekend, and look stunning parked at a high-end restaurant. It appeals to traditional M loyalists who crave a manual, gearbox and rear-wheel drive, while also catering to modern drivers who want cutting-edge tech, safety, and all-wheel drive security. Pricing hasn't been officially announced yet, but expectations place it starting around $75,000, climbing higher with the competition models and optional packages. Considering the performance, technology, and heritage packed into this machine, it's poised to be one of the most compelling options in its class. The 2026 BMW M3 is more than just an evolution. It's a revolution in how a sports sedan should feel, perform, and look. It respects its heritage while embracing the future, combining raw power, advanced technology, and everyday usability into one package. For enthusiasts, it's everything the M badge stands for and perhaps more. That wraps up today's deep dive into the all-new 2026 BMW M3. What do you think? Has BMW nailed the perfect balance between tradition and innovation? Or do you miss the raw simplicity of earlier M3 generations? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's get a discussion going. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more exclusive insights into the latest performance cars, hit that like button and subscribe to Motor Vision for more. Until next time, keep your engines revving and your vision sharp.